Mondays. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you didn't eat too many snacks watching the Super Bowl. Today's topic is the side hustle.
Shall we begin?
That's right, the side hustle. Because everybody nowadays got something on the side. Side chick, side dude. But do you have any side money? Because you need some of that. Everybody needs some money on the side. How do you get it? The side hustle. Now, a couple people I know got 6, 7 side hustles. Some people have one. Some people have none. But here's the thing that we can't dispute. You need some side money. We got to figure out how can we get some extra money, because the job is great. Your business is great, but you still need some more money trickling in. A lot of people do a lot of different things. Me, YouTube is one of my side hustles. Making t-shirts, stand-up comedy. I got quite a few side hustles. I also teach financial literacy. That's another hustle. Bottom line is this. If you want to be wealthy, they say you need 7 streams of income. That's 7. That's not 7 jobs. That's 7 streams of income. You need something that works while you sleep. You need something that sleeps while you work. You know what I mean. It's very, very, very easy to get caught up doing one thing. You got your job, you get comfortable, everything is great. Who knows? You might want to leave that job. You might have to move. Spouse has a better job somewhere else. You might have to figure out something else to do. You still need a way to make money. It's important. Some people drive Uber for their side hustle. I make t-shirts, www.cheapnotbroke.com. I also do stand-up comedy. I also act. I got a lot of different ways I can make money. But the point is, I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. You never want to put all your eggs in one basket. That's dangerous, because what happens if that basket gets smashed? Now you have no eggs. And I like eggs. I like boiled eggs. I like scrambled eggs, my eggs with cheese. But the point is, I still need my eggs. If you don't have your eggs, what are you gonna do? Be broke? Nuh-uh. That's not cheap, not broke. That's just broke. Side hustle is important. Matter of fact, drop a comment. Let me know what your side hustle is. Tell me what your side hustle is, and hey, maybe we can help each other out. Because as entrepreneurs, even as consumers, we're all trying to either save money or make some money. This Monday is Side Hustle Monday. Drop a comment below. What do you do for your side hustle, or what are you thinking about doing? I might have some books for you. I might know a friend. Heck, you might be able to help me. Let's build a community. Cheap Not Broke is about helping everybody out and saving money. Subscribe and hit that like button. I appreciate you all subscribing to these videos. I hope you like Chef Fantastico. He'll be back this week with some more recipes. Until then, enjoy your week. Happy Monday. Cheap Not Broke. Take care.